we have here square of difference. So let me remind you formula. When we have a minus b to second power, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. In our example, a is equal 3x and b is equal to y. So now we just substitute to our formula. So this is equal, first we have a square, so we have 3x to second power. Next we have negative sign, we copy negative sign, we have to copy 2. And we have a times b, so we have 3x times 2y. And we have positive sign b squared, so we have 2y to second power, so this is equal. Now we have to raise first expression to second power. It means we have to raise to second power 3 and x, so we have 3 to second power times x to second power. We use this formula only when we have multiplication. When we have multiplication between this number and variable, we raise to second power first number and next variable. Minus, next we have multiplication, so we can multiply the numbers. 2 times 3 is 6, times 2 is 12, and we just copy variables x and y. Plus, and again we have 2y to second power. It means we have to raise 2 to second power and y to second power. So this is equal 3 to second power is 9x squared minus 12xy we have to rewrite, and 2 to second power, so this is 4, and we have y squared. This is my solution.